Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good too.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I'm really feeling happy and I want to share that happiness with you all. Do you want to know?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Obviously.
One of your friend, Kirat Gill,
Yes, ma'am.
how much he scored?
Ma'am, 7.5 plus.
So what happened? He gave the exam on 3rd of August. Last night he told me that he scored 9 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7 in speaking, and 7 in writing. So his
Amazing, ma'am.
target was
Amazing.
8,777 and he scored really well. When he booked the test with us for speaking, his estimated score was 7. He booked the test twice, and both the times I told him that your score is 7, and he got 7 in the speaking. He just shared a picture with me. He said he's going to download the scorecard and then he will share with me today or tomorrow because it takes 2 days now. Then it is downloadable. So he's going to share me tomorrow and then I'm going to share here with you all. So, guys, if you are practicing every day, and some people they say मैम कि speaking का score application में कुछ आ रहा है आप कुछ दे रहे हो, sometime it is showing 6, sometime it is showing 6.5. It is always an estimated score. You can read who is speaking in between. So you can always recheck your score with me whenever you want to have your speaking test. I always provide an estimated score. If I'm saying 6, that means in the exam also, if consistently, देखो एक टेस्ट कभी डिफाइन नहीं करता कि आपका स्कोर क्या है. Sometime it depends on the topic that you have broader perspective. You speak a lot about it. You know the ideas, right? तो कभी अगर आपका स्कोर 6 आ रहा है, कभी आपका 6.5 आ रहा है, बट कंसिस्टेंटली क्या स्कोर आ रहा है? So your estimated score is always between that. Kushal has also scored 7. He has only, Kushal, you have given the test only once, na? Or twice?
Twice, ma'am.
Yeah, once it was 6.5, and the another day, like after a few days, he practiced, and I guess it's been month, he scored 7. So when now
Yes,
he's going to give the test again, maybe defines that how much he's going to score. So not only one test will define, but yes, at least 2, 3 tests will decide your finalized score. Yesterday, I had a student who was giving continuously speaking tests from last 3 days. So what happened? His score is stuck at 5.5. Yesterday, he gave 2 tests, one in the morning, one in the evening, because he's having exam today. So score was 5.5 only. You must have remember this Ketan. Ketan is also having exam tomorrow. Remember, there was a student in between. He was typing something in the comment section also that day. Maybe you missed out. So his score is also lying between 6, 6.5. Sometimes he's good with his skills, so he reached to 6.5. Sometimes he's 6. So please work on this. अगर आपका estimated इतना जा रहा है, एग्जाम में भी इतना ही होगा. It's never कि आपका यहाँ पर 7 आ गया, एग्जाम में 6 आ जाएगा, या यहाँ पर 6 और एग्जाम में 7 आ जाएगा. That is not possible. We always provide you an estimated one. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
scored 9 in listening. So that's really good. 8.5 in reading. Writing is no doubt, I believe that yes, if you're working hard, you can score 7. So all of the students who are actually looking for Canada and जिनका PR का target है that you need 8,777, you all can work hard. If you're working, then definitely you will get your score. But अगर आप practice ही नहीं कर रहे, then how can you expect this thing? Okay? Got this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Part 3 of speaking. क्या होता है Part 3? Any idea?
Ma'am, follow-up question क्यों कार्ड से?
Yes, exactly. What does examiner wants here? क्या चाहिए उसे? Because कुछ तो examiner needs. Yes or no? तभी हमें आंसर वैसे
Yes,
फ्रेम
ma'am.
करना है according to the needs of examiner.
Yeah,
देखो
it's
यहाँ
not about us. It's not about on one person. It about uh, community, and we can talk about others also.
yes, exactly. We have to talk about others also. यहाँ पर हम अपनी स्टोरी नहीं बताते, या हम किसकी स्टोरी बताते हैं? दुनिया की. Remember this thing, I always tell this in a very short sentence to all my students in few words कि part 2 आपकी कहानी है. आप अपनी स्टोरीज बताते हो ना, कौन सी मेमोरेबल जर्नी आपकी है, कौन सी बुक आपने रीड करी, कौन सा म्यूजिक आपको पसंद था, कहाँ पे जाके आपने रिलैक्स करा, कौन से पर्सन को आप एडमायर करते हो. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ थिंग यू, राइट? कौन से पर्सन की अनयूजुअल हॉबी है. बट पार्ट 3 इज अबाउट दुनिया की कहानी. यहां पर आपको अपनी कोई स्टोरी नहीं सुनानी कि मैंने ये करा, मैंने वो करा. वो सब पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 में हो गया. नाउ हियर यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट, इट्स अ मिनी डिबेट. पार्ट 3 एक डिस्कशन राउंड होता है. ये कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं है जिसमें आपसे आपके बारे में पूछा जाएगा, बट इट्स अ डिबेट. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस जो आते हैं ना, वो ऐसे आते हैं, व्हाई, हाउ, कंपेयर करो, पास्ट को प्रेजेंट करो, फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव भी पूछते हैं कि हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट टेक्नोलॉजी विल चेंज इन द फ्यूचर. देन आपको क्या करना है? अपने बेसिक आंसर्स को इंटेलिजेंट ओपिनियंस में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आज के सेशन का गोल ही यही है कि हम अपग्रेड करेंगे अपने बेसिक आंसर्स को टू द इंटेलिजेंट ओपिनियंस. अगर आप पार्ट 2 में बोलना आपने सीख लिया, यू नीड टू विन पार्ट 3, बिकॉज पार्ट 3 वो जगह है जहां एग्जामिनर सोचता है कि ये कैंडिडेट सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोल रहा है या दिमाग भी यूज कर रहा है अपना. बिकॉज तभी आप डिबेट और डिस्कशन कर सकते हो इफ यू आर यूजिंग योर ब्रेन. ओके, टेल मी वन थिंग, कौन कौन पार्ट 3 से डरता है? यू फील लाइक यू डोंट हैव आइडियाज टू स्पीक इन पार्ट 3? एनीवन?
मैम पहले लगता था, लेकिन बट अब पूरा भरोसा मैम आप पर. आप कुछ ऐसा दे ही देंगे और हम प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे कि डरने की टेंशन नहीं. मैं पार्ट 2 से पहले बहुत डर लगता था कि क्या बोलेंगे 2 मिनट तक,
यस,
लेकिन स्ट्रेटजी और प्रैक्टिस के बाद सब हो गया.
यस, एग्जैक्टली. तो यहाँ पर हमें फोकस करना है कि हम ओपिनियन जब अपना दे, वन लाइन स्टेटमेंट में हम ओपिनियन तो जरूर देंगे, बट उस ओपिनियन को हम कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? अपने रीजंस के साथ, एग्जाम्पल के साथ, प्लस सोसाइटी लेवल थिंकिंग के साथ. यहाँ पे नॉट सिर्फ मैं नहीं चलेगा. आई रिपीट, ये आपकी कहानी नहीं, ये दुनिया की कहानी है. सो आपको जब भी आंसर करना है, यू हैव टू थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टू द पीपल, कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं, नॉट आप क्या सोचते हो. Why do people prefer online shopping? What is my question?
Why do people prefer online shopping?
हाँ, तो यहाँ पर क्या पूछा जा रहा है?
मैम पीपल क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं, सो इसमें हम अपने बारे में नहीं, पीपल के बारे में
Yes,
बताएंगे. हम
exactly.
फोकस ऑन
लोग क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग? इट्स नॉट अबाउट यू. यहाँ पर मैंने पीपल लिखा है, यू नहीं लिखा कि आप क्यों प्रेफर करते हो. दैट इज पार्ट 1. व्हाई डू यू प्रेफर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग? वो पार्ट 1 हो गया. बट व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाई डू पीपल प्रेफर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द होल सोसाइटी. आपको सब लोगों के बारे में बात करनी है. आप क्यों प्रेफर करते होंगे? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
Ma'am, there are a lot of reasons. First of all, it's very comfortable and affordable. Most of companies give huge discount on weekends and sometimes on occasion, special occasion.
Saving
And
time.
And the people can save the time also.
Yes, so it's convenient, we can say, right?
Anytime, anywhere, global reach.
Yes, so that is convenience. We have home delivery options. We have access to the global products. है ना? कहीं से भी कुछ भी चीज हम परचेज कर सकते हैं. It is time saving. It is convenient. We can easily compare the price also. So what I'm talking about all the perspective. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ यहाँ पर अपना व्यू नहीं, the whole society के बारे में बात करनी है. Any more suggestions? Okay, let's come to one.
No.
How does technology affect education? क्या question है? What is the meaning of this?
मैम the meaning is that कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी अफेक्ट करती है एजुकेशन को?
Is it talking about your only education?
नो मैम.
No. It is asking you कि technology कैसे affect करती है? Yes, कैसे करती है?
Ma'am, it plays crucial role in education. For instance, if we talk about ChatGPT and
अच्छा,
other
one more
kinds
thing.
of.
Are we only going to talk about the positive effect or the negative?
मैम
Ma'am,
दोनों हो
here
सकते हैं,
it says
pros and cons.
Positive
effect,
maximum.
right, ma'am?
Yes.
Effect means it will be maybe negative also. Negative.
Sorry.
It's, yeah, right, ma'am. Effect means it will be negative. Negative also.
If
I
yes,
think
exactly.
positive, ma'am.
Remember this. No, when they are talking about effect, it means any change, any impact, any influence. So you can talk about either positive or negative, or you can talk about both. कि technology effect कैसे कर रही है? It's not that you only have to talk about the positive. उसका influence क्या है? एक होता है इफेक्ट. इफेक्ट का मतलब होता है the result. Remember, I know that there are some students who doesn't know the meaning. इफेक्ट का मतलब होता है उसका रिजल्ट क्या है, उसका आउटकम क्या है. But this effect means they are talking about the influence, the
मैम
impact.
बैकग्राउंड में आवाज बहुत आ रही.
Khushi, please can you mute yourself? Khushi Hans. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now fine.
effect yes, ma'am. Effect means it's not influence impact, ma'am. Effect means it's not result.
Sorry.
EFFECT means it is not the influence, only result.
Yes. That is the effects. What are the effects?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, but here it is, how does technology affect? So effect means
Yes,
you have
yes,
to
ma'am.
talk about the impact. अब वो impact positive भी हो सकता है, negative भी हो सकता है, right? So you have to talk about both. आप दोनों भी बता सकते हो. It's up to you. Next, they have some comparison based questions also. Is life better now than in the past? Now what they are asking, लाइफ के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, अभी बेटर है या पास्ट में बेटर थी. सो यू हैव टू थिंक कि लोगों की लाइफ, नॉट योर लाइफ. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, आई एम लिविंग लाइक दिस नाउ, आई हैव लिव्ड लाइक दैट नाउ इन द पास्ट डेज. आपको अपना पर्सनल नहीं बताना. You have to compare the life in the present with the life in the past. No doubt you will be giving your opinion, but you have to compare to the earlier times. How can you speak about it? How will you start? Any suggestions? Because before giving the formula, I really want to know that how you people tackle these questions. Khushi, can you speak? Khushi, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi, where are you from?
I'm from Gagda, ma'am.
Sorry?
I'm from Gagda, which is located near in Jigaon.
Near in?
Jigaon, ma'am.
Where it is? I've never known for this place, yes?
I think is it in
Or
Punjab?
It's in
yes,
Punjab?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Nearby
ma'am.
Nakodar, ma'am.
Okay, got it. Yes, Khushi, can you answer this question? Is life better now than in the past?
Yes, ma'am. I think so that life is very life is very life is better as compared to past because with the help of technology people easily complete their work not complete their work with the help of technology. It not only save the time but also energy.
Good. So she talked about people. You always have to talk about people first, not I first. So yes, I think life is better now. The main reason is technology, healthcare, education, communication, they all have improved. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to talk
Yes,
about
ma'am.
all this. Plus you have to make the comparison also. अभी का तो बताया past में क्या था. However, you can talk about the modern life also have some challenges, like we have stress, we have pollution, we have higher living costs. So always try to make the comparison. Try to speak about both past, try to speak about both present. ठीक है, comparison करो यहाँ पर, then speak about. Now there can be questions
Okay.
about
And the whole
future also. In the please. How will work culture change in the future? अभी क्वेश्चन किस पे बेस्ड है? Have you
Future.
Ma'am, work culture.
आपको पता है फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है? Any idea? No, we doesn't. We are actually talking about our intelligent opinion now. In what ways do you think that people will work or the environment will change in the future related to the work? वर्क कल्चर का मतलब क्या होता है? लोग काम कैसे करते हैं, कम्युनिकेट कैसे करते हैं, इंटरैक्ट कैसे करते हैं अपने वर्क प्लेस में. सो उसमें क्या चेंज आने वाला है आगे के ईयर्स में?
AI tech.
नाउ हियर यू नीड टू थिंक डीपली. यस और नो? यहाँ पे चलेगा ना आपका ब्रेन अब, क्योंकि आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि क्या चेंज होगा फ्यूचर में रिलेटेड टू द वर्क कल्चर. यस, एनी सजेशंस?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
यस आर्यन.
Ma'am, can I try?
यस यस.
Yeah. So I believe that in the upcoming decades, most of the people will use artificial intelligence and they will work with machines and autonomous system. It will definitely change the work-life balance of our humans, but we will have to adapt all the things.
Not we
Yeah.
will, the people will.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Kushil.
मैम इसमें
Ma'am,
एग्जांपल भी दे सकते हैं
in
ना लास्ट
this,
में.
Yes, Inder, I will come to that point. Don't worry. Okay.
ma'am, in this contemporary era, people mostly commuting to their workplace and also less technological driven. And not only that, people often sit long hours to work in front of the desk. In the future, it will be not like that. People get more flexible time and also remote setups, hybrid and work from home opportunity. All those things they feel more comfortable and convenient. It brings work life balance and also they feel more confident while working. Productivity also more. It will help both company and also employees.
So people will become more productive. People
Yes,
will
ma'am.
become more productive. They'll be focusing more on their work-life balance. Yes. Got it.
Ma'am, in this
And
question,
in
we
future
can
also,
talk about contemporary also.
Sorry.
In this question, we can speak about present also, right, ma'am?
You
Just comparison.
can, but always try to first give the future perspective, then you can talk about.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Now, how you need to answer these type of questions? As Aryan knows that I'm always good at giving the formulas so that you can create and make your answer logical. ठीक है? क्योंकि आपको what you have is the problem is you all have ideas, you don't know how to just logically arrange them. So for that we have a formula: why, how, and example.
ma'am, we can say after first we can give positive and after that we can same time we can give negative effect also,
In which question you're asking?
like a technology in future. You talk about the future, no? So people, our life will be easy, and modern era and AI will uh, replace
It is your
human jobs
opinion,
also.
yes. I believe that
Yeah,
yes, technology will replace the humans or the
yeah.
manpower. Yes, you can. Whenever
Because
you
like
provide any answer, you need a stronger point to discuss about it. As I said, they never judge your ideas because हमें थोड़ी पता है future में कैसे work culture change होने वाला है. It is only our opinion which is actually explained by us.
yeah.
आप देखो, now let's come to the point. Why, how, example का मतलब है क्या? Why का मतलब हमेशा वो reason होता है जो आपको देना है behind that answer. आपको लगता है वर्क कल्चर कैसे चेंज होगा, रीजन क्या है उसका? सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग, मेन रीजन बताओ यहां पर, व्हाई डू यू थिंक सो?
Like we can say, like in Dubai, they
Always.
started already without a driver taxi also. They
That is an
replaced the
example.
many humans
That is an
jobs.
example.
Yeah.
That comes
Uh,
under an example. सेकेंड थिंग वुड ऑलवेज बी द इम्पैक्ट. आपको लगता है कि ये चेंज होगा, बट इसका लोगों पे क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा? That is, we talked about, they will become more productive, people will have a better work life balance. मैंने रीजन बताया वर्क कल्चर कैसे चेंज होगा, क्या रीजन है उसके चेंज होने का. देन आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन द इम्पैक्ट. हाउ डज इट एक्चुअली इफेक्ट द सोसाइटी? द सेकेंड थिंग इज हाउ. इम्पैक्ट क्या है उसका, उसके इम्पैक्ट को क्या करोगे आप, एक्सप्लेन करोगे. अब कभी कभी वो पॉजिटिव होता है, कभी कभी वो नेगेटिव होता है. यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट इफेक्ट. देन यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट एन एग्जाम्पल. लाइक इंदर इज गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. प्रूफ दिखाओ. देखो, एग्जाम्पल जब आप देते हो, इट्स अ जनरल एग्जाम्पल, कोई भी सोसाइटी का एग्जाम्पल जब आप एग्जाम्पल देते हो, इट्स अ प्रूफ, इट्स अ जस्टिफिकेशन टू योर आंसर. सो ऑलवेज फॉलो दिस स्ट्रक्चर. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, ओपिनियन देना है अपना. देन यू नीड टू ऐड द रीजन. अगर हम कोई भी चीज बिलीव करते हैं, अगर हमें लगता है कि लाइफ बेटर है अभी, आई स्पोक ना, yes I believe it is better now. If I believe it is better not, I will speak, but I have to tell the reason कि वो बेटर क्यों नहीं है. पास में बेटर थी, अभी बेटर नहीं है, क्यों बेटर नहीं है, what is the reason? You have to explain every time the reason. Then you have to add that how does it affect the society. मतलब क्यों बेटर नहीं है, रीजन क्या है, हो क्या रहा है वहां पर. You have to think deeply, then try to add an example. Now let's start with a very basic one. Who would like to speak?
Ma'am, ma'am, I want to ask
अगर मैंने
something.
सारे आंसर तुमसे सुन लिए ना, ये क्लास नाराज हो जाएगी मुझसे.
No, मैम, आई वांट टू आस्क समथिंग. लाइक मैम, प्लीज मैम, एक क्वेश्चन. मैम, जब आपके सामने आएगा, लाइक आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं, अगर आपके सामने कोई क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, तो आप उस समय कैसे सोचते हैं? पार्ट 3 में आपने बोला वाई, तो यहाँ पर सोचना कैसे है? क्या,
सोचना ये
लाइक
है, देखो,
माइंडसेट?
कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए, सबसे पहले ये सोचो कि उसका रीजन क्या है आर्यन. जब आपने रीजन
ओके.
सोच लिया, उसका सोसाइटी पे, लोगों पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है. ओके, लेट्स डू इट विद एन क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. ठीक है, अब मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया, a very simple one. Why do many people prefer working from home? अब ये तो नो डाउट क्वेश्चन में लिखा है ना कि लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम को प्रेफर करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं?
ओके, सो लाइक मैम, पहले मुझे सोचना होगा क्यों, वाई,
यस,
देन फिर
एग्जैक्टली.
रीजन,
हमेशा
फिर एग्जाम्पल.
पहला सेंटेंस रीजन ही होता है. देखो, हमने सारे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस मैंने यहाँ पर अभी लिखे हैं. लोग ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं, रीजन क्या है? टेक्नोलॉजी अगर एजुकेशन को इफेक्ट करती है, रीजन क्या है? लाइफ बेटर अभी क्यों है, पास्ट में क्यों नहीं थी? वर्क कल्चर चेंज होगा फ्यूचर में, कैसे होगा, क्यों होगा, आपको सब बताना.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
पहले तो रीजन बताओगे फिर बताओगे ना कैसे. सो ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ दैट रीजन फर्स्ट. अब लोग अगर वर्क फ्रॉम होम प्रेफर करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
Ma'am, it is comfortable, it saves time.
Is easy to
Convenient.
Yes.
it is convenient and
They
cost
have
friendly.
Yes. So it
they
saves
have
your
more
travel
leisure activity.
time, it reduces your transportation costs, it offers you flexible schedule, you can maintain your better work life balance. So these are all the reasons. Now, how? Just add more to it so that you can expand your answer. Try करो कि आपको 4 से 5 सेंटेंस आप बहुत अच्छे से क्रिएट कर सको. द मेन रीजंस कुड बी, आपने सारे रीजंस बताए. आपको ये रिपीटिशन लाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कि एग्जामिनर आपसे पूछे व्हाई डू मेनी पीपल वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. पीपल प्रेफर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम बिकॉज, ये बोलना ही नहीं है. एग्जामिनर ने आपसे पूछा व्हाई डू मेनी पीपल प्रेफर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, देयर आर सेवरल रीजंस. आंसर ही ऐसे स्टार्ट करो. कहीं नहीं लिखा कि क्वेश्चन पहले रिपीट करोगे तो आपका आंसर माना जाएगा. नहीं. There are multiple reasons. The one could be it reduces stress. The other could be it saves time. जैसे भी आपको अपने आंसर को फ्रेम करना. Like suppose मैंने अपने रीजन बता दिए. Now how does it affect the people? How does it affect the society when people, they don't have to travel daily, they feel more relaxed and productive? So ऐसे इफेक्ट करता है. फिर एग्जाम्पल दो प्रूफ के साथ. कोविड टाइम. During the COVID time, during the pandemic, many employees reported better work-life balance as they could spend more time with their families. Now, what examiner is thinking after this answer कि आपने reason भी दे दिया, कैसे इफेक्ट करता है आपने डिटेल भी ऐड कर दिया, एग्जाम्पल भी, क्लियर लॉजिक. That's called the logical flow of your answer. बहुत ही क्लियर इंग्लिश है. That means this student can target band 7. जब आप वो एक ही आंसर को 4 बार रिपीट करके, अभी आपसे अगर ये पूछा होता, you would have only talk about the reason कि लोगों को क्यों प्रेफर है. Why do they prefer working from home? But if you are talking about how does it affect the society, how does it affect the people, आप रीजन भी बता रहे हो, एग्जाम्पल भी डाल रहे हो, you are providing 100% correct answer. Why बोलो, how बोलो, एग्जाम्पल, दो लाइन भी अगर आप दे रहे हो एग्जामिनर को इन एन आंसर, वेल एंड गुड. ओके, लेट्स कम टू वन मोर. पहले हम थोड़ा सा इजी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, देन वील बी कमिंग टू द कंपैरिजन आल्सो. यस, व्हाई डू पीपल यूज सोशल मीडिया सो मच nowadays?
Ma'am, there are several reasons for people are using social media nowadays, because many people are
फिर
using
आ गया ना
social
वही
media
because
for.
अंदर.
मैम बीच में भी नहीं बोल सकते.
ट्राई करो रिप्लेस करने का, नहीं तो वो एक हैबिट डेवलप हो जाती है. ठीक है. द मेन रीजंस कुड बी, सीधा ऐसे ही स्टार्ट कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. क्या?
Many peoples are doing
Peoples
they
नहीं
have a
होता,
different social.
इधर people होता है,
individual.
peoples में एस नहीं आता.
Okay.
हम्म.
They are promoting their business on social media platform, and more people are using for entertainment, and they are doing many influencer, they are promoting the other business also, and there are many reasons people are using social media.
अटक गए ना. इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जो आपने बोला, यू आर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट एन एग्जाम्पल कि इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कैसे यूज करते हैं. वो एक स्पेसिफिक पे आ गए आप, मतलब आप एग्जाम्पल किसका दे रहे हो? इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का. लोगों की बात कर रहे हो. लोग क्यों यूज करते हैं? इट इज मेनली बिकॉज इट इज अ वे टू कम्युनिकेट, टू गेट इंफॉर्मेशन, टू एंटरटेन देमसेल्व्स. वी कैन ऑल्सो स्टे कनेक्टेड. किस किस चीज के लिए सोशल मीडिया यूज किया जाता है, वो रीजंस बताए. देन टॉक अबाउट कि इन्फ्लुएंसर्स क्या करते हैं. दे actually share their photos, their videos, their ideas instantly? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am.
yes, Anam, can you speak for this?
नो मैम मैं इसी पे कह रही थी आपसे ही कह रही थी
एग्जाम्पल ऐड करना है, एग्जाम्पल दो आप, बट रेपिटेशन मत लाओ. रेपिटेशन लाओगे तो आंसर और स्कोर दोनों चला जाए, बिकॉज आप एक डेवलप्ड आंसर नहीं बोल पाए, और दूसरा आपका स्कोर कभी भी 7 नहीं क्रॉस करेगा. हमेशा वो 6, मैक्सिमम 6.5 तक ही चला जाएगा. देखो पार्ट 3 में ना एक चीज, गलती अगर आप कभी भी माइनर एरर्स करते हो ग्रामेटिकल, इट इज रियली फाइन. बट अगर आप चुप हो गए, 2 सेंटेंस बोले या 3 बोले, उसमें से 2 भी रिपीट करा एंड यू आर साइलेंट, दैट इज नॉट अलाउड, रियली नॉट अलाउड. बिकॉज फिर आप कभी भी टारगेट 7 नहीं कर पाओगे. And what I really believe is that you all have that potential that you can speak. Hi, Kirat.
Hi, ma'am. Here I have a question. You know, like in the speaking, like when I was taking the exam, giving the answers, I was confused, like between the explanation and the example part because I think I was mixing both parts together.
But
The examiner, I think, like she interrupted me 2-3 times.
if they are interrupting you, they're asking you the another question, then it is a positive sign. It's not a negative one.
No, because from her facial expression, like I could see, like she seems like frustrated, and then she was like
No,
changing the questions
no.
frequently.
Don't go for the facial expressions. And I have already, like, a big congratulate to you. We have already
Yeah,
discussed
thank you.
about your score. The whole class now knows about it, that you scored so well.
Congratulations, Kiran.
Thank you. No, now I think like maybe with little practice, like I could have scored more and then boost my CRS points, but I think this is fine.
So this score is
Ma'am,
fine for your CRS?
Yeah, I think like it helps me to gain the maximum points, like 124 out of 136.
Oh.
If I could have like gotten 8 in speaking, I think that could be 132 out of 134.
Then you need to practice more, because in the speaking
Yeah.
test also you were targeting 7.
Yes.
If you really want to score 8, you can apply for the retake.
Yeah. I think I can, but then the immigration, like they won't accept this single intake.
Okay.
So it's single skill
No,
retake.
bro.
Okay.
What I have an idea means if you pay 12,500, if you got more marks in previous exam, they will consider that marks. If you get low marks, then again you should give
Yeah, no, but
in future.
IRCC, like they doesn't accept it.
Okay, let's discuss about this later on. Let's come back to the session. Now, next question. Okay, I want to ask now, who would like to speak? Let's see. Raise your hands quick. I can only see Aryan's hand. Is online education better than classroom education? What is the type of question?
Ma'am, comparison.
Opinion is
Yes,
opinion
it's a
agree.
comparison. Is online education better than classroom education? So what they are asking, क्या लगता है आपको? If you believe yes, you can talk about it, but you need to provide a reason. Then आपको how भी बताना है, impact कैसे. Then you have to add an example also. Real life example, general example, कोई भी. Yes, Harshit, can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Try this.
Is online education better than classroom education? In my opinion, yes, definitely. Classroom education is far better than the traditional way of education. The reason being is the teacher can see the student directly without any
Not see,
um
interact.
interact with the peoples. Um, uh, Also, the students can fully attend the class and be attentive during the whole session. While as compared to the online education, students simply like turn off their cameras and do the other stuff like scrolling social media and other things. They don't attend the class um uh, in a disciplined way. So it impacts their scores also, like the students who attend online education, sorry, uh, physical classrooms, they can score well. It is not mandatory for all the students, but majority of the students can score well. Uh, for example, during the COVID time, the score of the students is very low, because not low, but their way of thinking
You're
and the skill
self-correcting,
set.
Harshit. And in the beginning, you mentioned that online education is better than traditional classroom learning, and then you are contradicting.
No, ma'am, like I self-correct myself. Like classroom education is better than online in the at the starting.
At the starting, you have mentioned online education is better than traditional learning. Is it? That's what I heard. What about others? You heard the same?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Yeah, in the beginning, you
Yes, ma'am.
mentioned that you believe online education is better than traditional classroom learning. Then you were talking about something, then you switched your point and you're talking about that online learning, they switch off the cameras and
Face-to-face
everything. So
communication.
it is contradicting. You are just contradicting your ideas, which is not considered as a relevant answer. And you're talking about attending the sessions fully. You're talking about students can see directly the teachers. So either you are just
Yes,
not
ma'am.
reading the question properly. Okay, next one. Who can speak for this? Okay, let's cover
And can I
some
try?
topic. Yes, but the different one, not this. Why do some students they lose interest in studies? Why? What is the reason? How does it impact the students? And what is an example? 3 things.
Okay, ma'am. So I personally believe that there are a lot of reasons why students losing their interest in studies and hobbies. I still remember I read a research paper. It was from Harvard Gazette, and he researched over 100 students, and they found that they really want
Wait,
to.
Aryan, you're not talking about the reason, but you're coming to the example first.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. The
Okay. So,
research example you are giving, you know na that it's an example. First, you have to talk about the reason. Why do you think that some student they lose their interest in studies? क्यों lose कर लेते हैं? What are
okay,
the reasons?
okay, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, so there are a lot of reasons. I really want to add one of the reasons is social media. In this modern era, there are a lot of platforms available. For instance, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. So students spend most of the time on scrolling and sharing the content uh, to different kinds of friends and different kinds of platform. And I think this is the biggest reason. And how it affects the mind and the personality of a student. It obviously affect negatively. It decrease the concentration level of a student, and the performance decrease day by day,
Not
and it
perform.
also affect the grades, academic grades.
their performance decline or they perform poorly in the exams. Good. थोड़ा सा डेवलपमेंट की और नीड है, अदरवाइज द आइडिया वाज गुड. थोड़ा सा ना बहुत बेसिक चला जाता है. If you could have planned कि
Okay.
क्यों interest lose होता है, the main reason could be that you have mentioned they spend too much time on social media. They become more interested in watching the shorts, the YouTube shorts, chatting or scrolling through the post. So ये आपने रीजन बताया. हाउ डज इट इम्पैक्ट, आपने ये भी बताया, बिकॉज एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ द सोशल मीडिया इट एक्चुअली रिड्यूसेस देयर कंसंट्रेशन, दे वेस्ट देयर स्टडी टाइम एंड देयर परफॉर्मेंस डिक्लाइन. Then again you can talk about a specific. For example, many students, they spend their every day or they spend their hours on Instagram instead of completing their homeworks. So आपने एक सेंटेंस एग्जाम्पल का ऐड कर दिया, आपने वाई भी बताया और उसका इम्पैक्ट भी बताया. सो इसके बाद आपको बोलने की कुछ भी नहीं है. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट, इनिशियल में जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, जस्ट स्टार्ट टू थिंक अबाउट 3 स्टेटमेंट्स फर्स्ट. जब आपको लगता है कि आप ये 3 स्टेटमेंट बोल पा रहे हो, तब उसे और एक्सपैंड करो. यस साक्षी?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
No worries. Sakshi, question for you. How can schools motivate students better? So सबसे पहले साक्षी आपको रीजन बताना है. Why there's a long pause? And remember, ये why or how, the impact or the reason you can change, interchange, but not start always with an example. Always just pick the example in the last. Sakshi, are you able to speak or let me just move to another one? Tanvi?
I will try, ma'am.
Okay, then you can just wait. Tanvi, Chandan, Khushdeep. Anyone? Oren? Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan, please speak.
In my opinion, nowadays most of the schools prefer to use their some classes like physical education classes where they teach students to become healthy or staying fit. So I think nowadays most of the schools are preferring to continue with that. So this is one of the most important thing that attracts most of the students in going to their education institutes.
Yes. Any particular example?
In example, nowadays in our country, most of the schools started physical education classes where teachers are usually taught their peers how to do some exercise that helps them to stay motivated and reduces their stress. So I think this is one of the most important and growing classes that I can say in my
So when you're
from my
talking about the physical classes, you can talk about the sports activity, जिससे आपका जो आइडिया है वो थोड़ा और एक्सपेंड हो सकता है, डेवलप हो सकता है, right? Okay. Now,
schools have, ma'am, we can add this point. Schools have organized every month sports
yes, exactly.
competition.
Right. Where students can actively
So
participate, they can learn better.
participate.
Yes.
Yes.
So as a result, they stay motivated, they perform well in their studies. Good. Next question for you, Inder.
Yes, ma'am.
Inder seems to be free today. He's participating today. Is it?
No. I'm driving also, but I don't know
Okay.
today. I feel energetic.
That's good. Why has technology become so important in daily life?
दोबारा बोली मैम एक बार.
Why has technology become so important in daily life?
These days, modern technologies make it a easy life everyone, because of modern era. Everyone life is become easy. Like we cannot do anything, work from home, and because of technology, we can use doing shopping online and internet banking. And there are several reasons two people are comfortable for using internet for entertainment, and they are uh, connecting with people, connecting with others, and they are sharing the content on because of technology. So nowadays, everyone life is easy than past time.
But 3 बार repetition हो गया टेक्नोलॉजी वाली लाइन का.
Yes, ma'am.
द फर्स्ट 2 में भी
Yes, ma'am.
रिपीटेशन. दोबारा से ये सो करके कंक्लूडिंग स्टेटमेंट डालने की नीड नहीं है. यू कैन इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आप एक एग्जांपल दे के बता दो कि कैसे डेली लाइफ में टेक्नोलॉजी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो, इधर
Yes, ma'am.
स्मार्टफोन्स के थ्रू कर रहे हो और थ्रू योर लैपटॉप्स. So for
Yes, ma'am.
example, people use smartphones to attend their classes. We do make payments every day. We book the tickets every day. We ordered food. We are actually communicating through the video calls. So that means technology is so important in daily life. आपने वो एक real example भी add कर दिया. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And जब हम life easier बात करते हैं, हमेशा वही एक easy do anything नहीं यूज करेंगे. We'll be focusing on the vocab. It makes our life more convenient, more comfortable, more productive. It connects people around the world and it makes our task efficient. Not we can do task easily. है ना. हम फोकस करें कि ये जो बेसिक सेंटेंसेस है इसमें तो एटलीस्ट हम अपनी वोकैब को अपग्रेड करें.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो इट हैज एक्चुअली ट्रांसफॉर्म. टेक्नोलॉजी ने रियली में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया, चाहे एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट हो, हेल्थ केयर हो, बिजनेस हो और योर एवरीडे टास्क ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट वन,
Yes.
हु वुड लाइक टू स्पीक? Deepak,
Yes, ma'am.
question for you. How does technology affect communication skills? Who is
Yes.
this?
Technology. There are several reasons. Communication. There are several reasons how communications changes these days with the help of technology. Technology gadgets such as mobile phones help us to communicate with anybody in the globe. It helps us to communicate in social media as well as promote the content in social media. For example, promoting on Facebook or doing online classes and different applications too. It affects people to make their life more easy and have conversation with the help of mobile phone wirelessly, remotely. And for example, whenever we want to talk with anyone of our family, we can easily use our any gadgets to communicate with our any loved ones.
Any student with the name of Harpreet Singh is in the class today? Harpreet Singh. No. Okay. Okay, well tried, Deepak. Anyone who can speak about the same question?
Can
How
I
does...
tell?
Yes, Masood.
Uh, Technology can reduce face-to-face communication. People often spend more time texting or using social media instead of talking in person. As a result, they many become less confident in real life conversations. For example, many teenagers prefer chatting on WhatsApp or Instagram platform uh, than meeting their friends. This can weaken their speaking and in interpersonal communication skill.
Good. Well tried. थोड़ा सा fluency पे work करो. Otherwise, it was good. You talked about the reason. You gave an example. Next question. Why do people change jobs frequently nowadays? Mehem? Mehem?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do people change jobs frequently nowadays? क्या reason है? क्यों change करते हैं? Mamta?
Ma'am, due to money.
Yeah. So you cannot say money. You can say career growth. Or you can
Okay,
say
ma'am.
to better salaries. Not
Better
directly
salary, yes.
money. Money is not the correct word to be used here. नहीं तो word choice wrong हो जाएगी आपकी.
Okay, ma'am.
Speak. Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second.
No, you don't have seconds. You already talked your point. Okay, stop. Mamta, can you speak? Mamta, are you busy with your household responsibilities? Okay. Ali, can you speak? Ali? Devangi? Some students, they are such an active listeners, but not the speakers. Why is it so? Infinix Smart 6. No. Kushi? Kushi Hans? Yes, Kushi. Okay, Mamta, I got you. No problem. Asad Ali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why do people change job frequently nowadays?
Ma'am, nowadays people change their jobs more frequently for several reasons. One major is that they want better salaries and improved benefits. Another reason is career growth, as many people look for opportunities, learn new skill, and get promotions. Or some people also leave their job because of a poor work-life balance, stress, work environment. So yeah, they switch jobs to find work that matches their interests.
Okay, great. Yes. Asifa? Asifa, are you ready to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is work-life balance important?
Work-life balance is very important for physical health and mental health. If you are getting in multitask and you able to stay to
Your
balance
voice is
or
not clear,
manage
Asifa.
her
Not clear. Please start again.
ma'am, अब sound clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, now work-life uh, work-life balance is very important for physical health and mental health. If you are busy with the multitask work and you fail to balance her work schedule, then it badly affect on your mentally health and it disturb up your mentally peace and calm.
But
Ma'am,
Asifa,
that's enough.
try to replace. If you
Yes.
do this, you will get that. ऐसे नहीं आंसर देना इसमें. ठीक है? If you believe that it is really crucial because it is for the good mental health and the physical health, so it gives enough time to people so that they can rest, they can exercise, they can spend some quality time with their family. ठीक है? Not if you do, if you die.
Right.
Now they're talking about work-life balance. आप यहाँ पर example दो companies का, employees का. They can finish their work on time and then they can spend some time with their families. ठीक है?
Right. Right. राइट मैम, मैं ट्राई करूँ मैम. एक्चुअली आज मेरा ना फर्स्ट 30 मिनट्स का लेक्चर ना मिस हो गया, तो वो मैं अब दोबारा रिकॉर्डिंग्स की वो सुनूंगी. तो
Yes,
इसलिए मुझे वो
definitely
आइडिया
आसिफा.
नहीं
देखो
था इस
इसमें
लेक्चर का
मैंने
ना.
ये बताया था कि you need to talk about that reason. You need to talk about how, कैसे. ठीक है? And then you need to add an example. जब आप ये स्ट्रैटेजी को फॉलो करोगे, यू कैन सिंपली टॉक अबाउट इट. बट यू ये मत ऐड करो. टॉक अबाउट पीपल, टॉक
Right, ma'am.
अबाउट सोसाइटी. या वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की बात हो रही है, एम्प्लॉयज की बात हो रही है, लोगों की बात हो रही है कि कैसे वो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, किसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होगा, जो काम करता होगा उसी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ट्राई टू
Yes, ma'am.
रिप्लेस, मतलब
Definitely.
वो पर्सनल वाली स्टोरी को यहाँ पर रिप्लेस कर दो. पर्सनल स्टोरीज यहाँ नहीं लानी.
जी.
ठीक है? एक लॉजिकल
Okay,
फ्लो
ma'am.
पे काम करो.
Right.
इफ यू रियली वांट टू टारगेट बैंड 7, आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस थिंग अगेन. 6 और 6.5 लाना है, यू कैन जस्ट गिव
Yeah.
योर आंसर, यू विल गेट इट. बट अगर 7 लाना है, यू नीड टू स्ट्रक्चर योर आंसर्स. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
सो प्लीज
I will try.
वन
Thank you,
लाइन
ma'am.
आंसर्स यहाँ पर नहीं चलेंगे. यू नीड टू एक्सपैंड. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, बैंड 7 कोई लक से नहीं आ जाता. जो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, फॉलो करते हैं, उन्हीं का आता है. ठीक है? सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि दैट यू विल
Right.
एक्सपैंड योर आइडियाज. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट आसिफा, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीवन हियर. प्लीज जस्ट कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग. प्रैक्टिस से ही कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, कॉन्फिडेंस से ही बैंड स्कोर आएगा. आई लिटरली फील सैड अबाउट दो स्टूडेंट्स जो बिल्कुल भी आंसर नहीं करते क्लास में. दे ऑलवेज रिमेन साइलेंट ऑन द म्यूट. आप एआई पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, नो डाउट. यू आर डूइंग 10 टेस्ट एवरी डे, बट इफ यू आर नॉट फेसिंग मी, then it will be really difficult in the exam. It will be. So if you're not giving any speaking test, you're not booking any speaking test with me, that is completely fine. That is your choice. But at least face us, face your class every day. We all are at the learning stage, right? यहाँ सभी learn कर रहे हैं. So if you are speaking, if you are exchanging your ideas, definitely you are going to learn something. सो ट्राई टू स्पीक. आपको चांस मिल रहा है बोलने का and you're not taking an advantage. You should be grateful that you're speaking and you're getting an evaluation right away. It doesn't take 10 days or 15 days to get an evaluation. You should be grateful for this, that you're getting a different structure for it. Because I know speaking classes mein kya hota hai. I have been in the offline classes. I did myself. I know that there are some teachers, एक दिन में speaking part 1 हुआ, एक दिन में 2 दे दिया, cue card दे दिया, ऐसे brainstorming करो, mind mapping करो, and then you do. But we always talk about the sentences कि पहले क्या बोलना है, second क्या बोलना है, बाद में क्या बोलना है. Right or wrong?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So please, you should be grateful.
Yes,
You should
ma'am.
take an advantage. आप तो बोलो जितना बोल सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
I really feel happy about those students who every day raise their hands that yes, but still I feel like that there are many students, because for me, you all are my class. You all are my students. So I really want everyone to speak at least once. Not every answer, it's not possible, but at least you should speak at least once. One answer you need to speak every day. Otherwise, I can to just reduce the classes. I can just complete the speaking course in maximum 10 days. But why I'm stretching it for 20 days? It's because of you. Because I really want all of you to learn something. क्या मैं पार्ट 3 2 दिन में खत्म नहीं करा सकती? क्यू कार्ड जिससे पूरा 1 वीक हुआ, क्या मैं उसे 2 दिन में नहीं करा सकती? I can only pick 2 cue card. I can just do one abstract topic, one person in place, and then one topic. It's done. But why I am stretching? Because of you guys. मुझे क्या मिलना है इससे? Nothing. My team, they're always on my head. Why do you stretch classes? इतना लंबा course कौन कराता है तनु? But I was like, no, every day I fight for you guys. कि no sir, I really want to get them deep down in this. That is the difference between the other classes and the baby code classes. Right? So it's for you all. It's not my personal. मुझे क्या मिलेगा आपका स्कोर आने से? I never tell you guys कि रोज जाके कोई पोस्ट डाल दो application पे. Just tag my name. Did I say anything like that? No. But I really feel I was so happy last night when Kirat was texting and he told me about his score. So that's what I want, that real happiness when you achieve your score, because the only thing is you all are practicing. So that even just I entered the class and I just congratulate and share that happiness with you. Because this is what I want, that students who are actually practicing, they should get their score, not less than 7. 6 or 6 points सिर्फ उनके लिए है, which I know that yes, these students are average, they can do only this much. Okay, fine. But the ones who have potential, they should speak every day. प्रैक्टिस से ही इंप्रूवमेंट होगी. प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, स्पीकिंग कभी भी इंप्रूव नहीं होगी. लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू दिस थिंग. रिमेंबर, स्पीकिंग के लिए आप रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस घर पे कर सकते हो, आप लिसनिंग भी कर सकते हो, राइटिंग भी कर सकते हो, बट द स्पीकिंग इज ओनली हियर. ओनली हियर. इसीलिए स्पीकिंग के कोर्स को मैंने इतना एक्सपैंड करा है कि सर, I would devote one week to the entire speaking module, not just 1 or 2 days. Otherwise, if you could have seen the very first session of baby code classes, जो बहुत ही पुरानी videos आपको मिलेंगी, I have just completed in few days. I guess 1 week में पूरा speaking module हो गया. अभी तो there are lot more to learn in speaking, but अगर आप, I really feel sad, पता नहीं इतना बार name बोलने के बाद भी you do not unmute yourself and you do not participate. These are only for you. You should take an advantage. बोलो, आपको तो चांस मिल रहा है, नहीं तो सीधा जाके क्या एग्जाम में बोलना है? तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल नहीं आएगा उस टाइम पे. There are students who are booking speaking test, four speaking test. दिन के 2 speaking test book कर रहे हैं because they really want to have that confidence level. They really want to face that examiner वाला pressure. कि मैम एग्जाम आने वाला है 10 दिन बाद. दे गिव मी अ कॉल, मैम आज मैंने 2 स्पीकिंग टेस्ट बुक कर दिया एट दिस एंड दिस टाइम. आई वाज लाइक ओके गुड, बिकॉज दे वांट टू गेट देमसेल्फ इवैल्यूएटेड and they always get that estimated score. I'm not praising myself, but yes, because I know I always want to be true to my students. I never gave them a fake advice or a fake score. What I believe, I give them. Yes, that's what my role is. Because I literally want to teach you from the bottom of my heart that yes, this is my class. I want to make them score this much. Okay, but at the end, you all have to practice because I'm here for you just for 1 hour. The rest 23 is all yours. So you have to make them productive. कि अपने टाइम में से कुछ ऐसा टाइम निकालो कि आप प्रैक्टिस करो और यहां पर जब हो तो उसका एडवांटेज लो. ओके, सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस करो, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को ऑन रखो. कभी लगता है ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स आ रहे हैं, फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करो. गॉट इट? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good to go. Now tomorrow again we'll be meeting with the part 3 only, but we will be practicing different type of questions. So make sure कि आपके ideas logically हो, coherence हो, because fluency और coherence ये 2 चीजें साथ में चलती है हमेशा. ठीक है? So answers हम अपने ऐसे expand करेंगे जैसे examiner को चाहिए. हम वैसे ही आंसर बोलेंगे, definitely we will be scoring good marks. Any new student who has joined us today, I just want to tell them that all the classes are already scheduled. Speaking के बाद आपकी writing का section start होने वाला है. Writing की भी कुछ classes already scheduled है, आप देख सकते हो application में. So इसलिए it is advisable कि आप click करके रखो remind me के option पे, ताकि जब भी आपकी क्लास स्टार्ट हो आपके पास एक रिमाइंडर आ जाए. आई नो देर आर सम लेस स्टूडेंट्स टुडे, मे बी दे डिड नॉट गेट द रिमाइंडर, बट प्लीज आप उस पर क्लिक करके रखो ताकि आपको 9 o'clock रिमाइंडर आ जाए. देयर इज अ क्लास एवरी मंडे टू फ्राइडे. वीकेंड्स नो क्लास बिकॉज आई वांट टू हैव सम रेस्ट. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एवरी डे स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस करनी है प्लीज. Till the day you have exam, speaking की रोज practice करो. Part 1 करो, Part 2 करो. We are on the Part 3. Now you can start with Part 3 also. Tell your friends if they really want to have the classes. Tell them कि speaking Part 3 start हो गया है and then after that writing start होने वाला है. Okay? Good to go. Any doubts, any query? Please let me know. No? Yes, Sakshi. You want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sakshi.
मैम, एआई से प्रैक्टिस करना और जो एग्जामिनर टेस्ट लेता है स्पीकिंग का, वो डिफरेंट होता है क्या मैम?
नो नो, इट इज जस्ट, देखो आप एक एग्जामिनर के साथ सामने बोलोगे, सो यू विल बी फीलिंग लाइक एक जो रियल एग्जाम पैटर्न होता है ना वो फॉलो हो जाता है. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दिस. प्लस यू विल बी गेटिंग अ डायरेक्ट इवैल्यूएशन एज कंपेयर टू द एआई. एआई पे आप रोज प्रैक्टिस करो, बट अगर आपको लगता है योर एग्जाम इज नियर बाय एंड यू रियली वांट टू चेक योर स्कोर दैट यू आर स्टैंडिंग एट व्हाट लेवल, तब आप एग्जाम बुक कर सकते हो. यू विल
मैम मैं
सी अ डिफरेंस.
प्रैक्टिस तो कर रही हूँ बट वो स्टक क्यों हो जा रही है, मतलब 5.5 और 6 पे स्टक होती हूँ, इम्प्रूव नहीं कर पा रही.
वो इसीलिए नहीं हो पा रही ना साक्षी, बिकॉज द थिंग इज यू आर टेकिंग वेरी लॉन्ग पॉजेस. आप बहुत लंबे लंबे पॉजेस लेके बोलते हो, तो वो तो आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट करना पड़ेगा ना, नहीं तो 6 भी टारगेट नहीं हो पाएगा. Just book one test if you want to, then we can connect. Okay? If you feel that you have
Yes,
been
ma'am.
giving the test on the application since long and your score is not increasing, then you can book a test any day which you feel possible, any time slot. You can check the time slot and you can book it. Okay?
Okay.
No worries. So let's meet tomorrow because I have another speaking test now. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.